we can minimize and go to analysis. As we have run a triaxial, we go to triaxial test. Yeah. Okay.
Of course, you can press anything and delete from here, right?
Oh, TVC, yes. Yeah. We go to general parameters. We take 9 samples. We see the braking, the curve, and here they show you the value of deformation and tension units you can change. And well, we only have one graph. We can see more circles because we need 3 samples. Yeah. You can, for example,
can you just press it to
delete one test? This is not interesting for me. You go here and you can delete, or you can export.
Can you like press any previous test so we can see more circuit?
Yeah. I have to close. I think. Wow. Well, this is a triaxial UU. So we can see the general parameters. This is the test group ID. This is because they have the same name. This is the reason, because they are together. If you go to braking parameters, you see the 3 curves that I got, and then you go to more circles and you see 1, 2, 3. You see a blue point. You put one here and then one here. Here you see cohesion and friction angle. So you suppose that you need to be touch or be tangent to the 3 circles, and this is the values that you get. You can do the same with the CR. Close. Okay. Direct good. Mm-hmm. Well, you know that we need 3 samples. In this case, we made 5. Something was wrong and we made 5. When you go to braking parameters, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can now say, okay, I don't need this, I don't need this. But I am not really sure if it is the wrong decision or proper decision. So you can do it later and go to see the tension relations. And now you can see that we have 1 point, 2nd point, 3, 4, and 5. So the second curve, the red curve, was the wrong curve, because now when I try to calculate the friction angle, I see that I can use this, and any of these points. I have the friction angle and cohesion. It is red. This was a bad that we can discard. You also can can see here the horizontal deformation versus vertical.
Vertical and
This sensor against this sensor. What you can see with this is something that we call dilatantia. Dilatance. You have a sample, bottom, top, and when you do this, maybe do something like this, because of the grains can go up, down, out, up. This is called dilatantia, and this is what you can see here. This is the wrap index. Well, and here we have nothing. Residual break means that you cut the sample and you cut again, after 3 cuts you have a really low resistance. And sometimes in some projects they ask you for this value, and you also can do with this.